Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As you already know that the price line of Bitcoin is at the support of this symmetrical triangle, and I told you that we also had this recent swing low at $35,500 that can work as a very good support, and that was also the same level where we have the support of the triangle as well. Now our recent swing low is $34,800. So in case of breakout, this time you need to use, after breaking out, you need to use this level as your stop loss, or you can also use the support of the triangle as well in case of breakout as your stop loss. Now today I want to share with you some bullish signals. The bullish reversal move appeared on the Bitcoin chart, and also a bearish signal is getting appeared. The bullish reversal moves are: one is the bullish cipher pattern on the daily time frame chart, and other one is on the small time frame chart, that is a falling wedge considered as a bullish reversal. And we are also expecting a death cross on the daily time frame chart between the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. Now in today's video we will analyze whether the price action will follow this bearish move or it will follow these bullish moves. Okay, before moving to the live chart, first of all I want to show you the previous move of the Bitcoin. That is very important, and it has a strong connection with the current analysis of the Bitcoin. Like previously on 30th of May, I shared an idea when the price action of Bitcoin completed the final leg of a bullish reversal harmonic Gartley move. And let me show you that move that I shared at the Patreon. And I'm also sharing the different harmonic and other trading ideas at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. You can see that this was the pattern that previously the Bitcoin completed, and at that time it was also getting bounced by the support of this triangle. Now if we play this chart, let me play this chart and you can see how this harmonic move worked. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned bullish, and here the price line has formed this bullish cipher pattern on the daily time frame chart above this buying zone. And at the same time, when the price action turned bullish from here, the price line also moved up from the support of the triangle and reached the resistance, and here we got the rejection by the resistance, and then the price action moved at the support again. Now after playing, I'm just going to place the volume profile again on the complete price action to show you where we have the trader's interest, where they want to trade within this triangle. Then we can see to the downside we have now the trader's interest up to this level, that is approximately at $35,900, and to the upside we have the trader's interest here even above this resistance of the triangle, that is approximately at $39,600. So whenever the price line, you can see, is going in the area where we have the weak interest of the traders, it is getting rejected, getting bounced and moving to the upside. And whenever it is moving to the area where we have to the upside, the low or weak interest of the traders, it is getting rejected and moving to the downside. At this time the candlestick is moving at the very end of this area where we have the trader's interest. So there are strong chances that the price action may move to the upside. And the point of control of this volume profile, you can see that it is moved slightly to the upside. And if I place another trend line here, then you can see that this point of control is leading even above this resistance of the triangle. So if the price action will move up at least up to this point of control of this volume profile, then it is easy for the price action to make another attempt for the breakout. And you can see that the triangle is really very squeezed at this time. So next 24 to 48 hours are really very important. We can have a very big move, whether to the upside, to the downside. In my opinion, we can have a move to the upside because the volume profile is showing we don't have a powerful sell volume so far like we had here, and the price action is now likely to have a bounce from the support of the triangle. And we have already seen that we also have on the weekly time frame chart this $30,000 very good support. Previously it was bounced by this support, and now on the weekly time frame chart we are likely to have another bounce. And we have already seen this move of the Bitcoin as well, that the price line on the weekly time frame chart is moved at the support of the Bollinger Bands, and we have already received the bull cross or the buying signal by the stochastic from the oversold zone. For more details, you can watch my previous video in which I have explained it in a detailed manner. Now let's move to this bullish cipher pattern first of all, then I will show you the falling wedge, and then we will move to the expected death cross on the daily time frame chart. Now here we can see that the price action has formed a perfect bullish cipher pattern here, and you can see that this is the initial leg, then retrace between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, then projected between 1.272 to 1.414 Fibonacci projection, and then retrace between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And you can see that it is getting bounced by this from this buying zone of the bullish cipher, like we previously had the bounce from this buying zone of the bullish Gartley pattern that I previously shared with you guys. So we can expect that this move can lead to the breakout, because at the same time the price line of Bitcoin is also at the support. Now during this, on the 4-hour chart, the price line has also formed this falling wedge pattern, and you can see that it is moving very well between the resistance and the support of this pattern. At this time we are at the resistance of this pattern, and at the same time the price action on the daily time frame chart is at the support and in the buying zone of the bullish cipher. Now these moves are indicating that we can have a big move to the upside, and once we will be out of this triangle, then we can expect a move even above the $50,000 according to this measurement of the triangle from this tail to this support. If we will have now breakout from here, or maybe from here on the next candlestick, then we can expect the next move approximately at $50,000 now. And in case of breakdown, the move can be approximately here, that is approximately $23,000. But we also have a very good support of at $30,000, and overall on the weekly time frame chart the market is still bullish. Therefore, if there will be a breakdown, I'm expecting that after the breakdown it can have another bounce by the $30,000 support. But at this time we can see that we have bullish reversal moves, but this is the very strong bearish signals that is getting appeared on the daily time frame chart. That is an expected death cross between the 50 and the 200 simple moving averages. But here I want to tell you a very important thing, that whenever you are we are expecting any death cross between the 50 and 200 or any moving averages, but this is a real death cross between the 50 and 200. We can observe that whenever we expect any death cross between the 50 and 200, and when this 50 simple moving average moves down to cross down the 200 simple moving average before the formation of the death cross, the price action moves down more aggressively in most of the cases. Sometimes not, but in most of the times it does that. And after the formation of the death cross, it becomes less aggressive, and I'll show you from the previous history of the Bitcoin. Like at this time we have already seen that when this 50 simple moving average was moving down, the price action moved very aggressively and even broke down the 200 simple moving average as well. The reason is, before the death cross, when this 50 simple moving average moved to the downside, the RSI, or different oscillators, you can also watch the stochastic as well, moves very fast to the oversold zone. And when the oscillator moves up, the price action follows the signals of the RSI. For example, let me just show you from the previous history of the Bitcoin. Here we received the death cross, but before the death cross, the price action, you can see before the formation of the death cross, price action moved down. This was a waterfall crash back in March 2020. The RSI moved very fast in the oversold zone, and when the RSI moved up, we had another very powerful recovery rally. And before that, we received the death cross here back in October 2019, and you can see that before when this death cross was formed, the RSI entered in the oversold zone, and then we had a recovery rally, and then the price line moved down again. Now here, back let me just show you here. You can see that back in 2018, April 2018, before the death cross, the RSI started moving down, and here the price action crossed down the 200 simple moving average as well. This time, at the same time when we were having this death cross formation, the RSI touched the oversold zone, and when the RSI moved to the upside, then price action again followed the signal of the RSI, and we had a recovery rally at least up to 200 simple moving average. And the previous recovery rallies, which we have just seen here, the price action started the recovery rally at least up to 200 simple moving average, and after this death cross, the price action even crossed up the 200 simple moving average. So this time, for example, if we assume that this is the ending of the bull run and we are having a death cross between the 50 and 200, then at least a recovery rally up to 200 simple moving average, that is at this time is $41,700, we can expect. And maybe the price line will break out this recovery, 200 simple moving average as well, because we are having bullish reversal patterns on the small time period chart and on the daily time frame chart, and we are at the support. Let's see whether the Bitcoin will break down or break out this triangle or not. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.